Setting and removing these container stops follows exactly the same procedure. To set the upper container stop, raise the desk to the height where you'd like to program the stop. Press the up arrow key 4 times. Then press the down arrow twice. Now press the up arrow once. That same sequence also removes the programmed upper container stop. The lower container stop is also pretty straightforward. Lower your desk to the height where you'd like to set that stop. Press the up arrow key 4 times. Then press the down arrow key twice. And then to set or remove the lower container stop, press the down arrow key.
To watch other videos and learn more about Right Angle products, visit our website at r8products.com. If you need to contact customer support, call 800-298-4351 or send us an email at orders@r8products.com. Thank you for watching.